Fertiglobe ships its first load of renewable ammonia, and Saudi and China central banks ink a currency swap deal. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Abu Dhabi-based Fertiglobe, the largest nitrogen fertilizer producer in MENA, has completed its first shipment of renewable ammonia. It was produced at its facilities in Egypt using renewable hydrogen from its pilot Egypt Green Hydrogen Electrolyzer. The ammonia shipment carries ISCC+, which is International Sustainability and Carbon Certification. It's sent to India's Tuticorin Alkali Chemicals and Fertilizers, who will produce the soda ash for Unilever's India business, Hindustan Unilever. Fertiglobe is a JV between ADNOC and Dutch chemical producer OCI. The central banks of China and Saudi have signed a local currency swap agreement that will be valid for 3 years and can be extended by mutual agreement. It's worth $6.93 billion. Officials say the bilateral currency swap arrangement between China and Saudi will help strengthen financial cooperation between the countries, expand the use of local currencies, and promote trade and investment. Kuwait's annual inflation in October rose 3.8%, driven by a rise in food and beverage prices, which rose 5.7% last month year-on-year. The price of hotels and restaurants rose 3.5%. The cost of housing rose by 3.1%, and transport costs increased by 3%. Kuwait recorded a budget surplus for the first time in 9 years, worth $20.8 billion for the 2022 to 2023 fiscal year, on the back of higher oil revenues. Hong Kong stocks bounced back today from last week's losses, with traders awaiting the release of minutes from the Federal Reserve's November policy meeting. The Hang Seng climbed 1.86%, the Shanghai Composite added 0.46%, and the Shenzhen Composite on China's second exchange rose 0.65%. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella says ousted OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and Greg Brockman will be joining Microsoft to lead a new advanced AI research team. Nadella also appeared to confirm Emmett Shear's reported appointment as the new OpenAI CEO, saying they're looking forward to getting to know Emmett Shear and OpenAI's new leadership team and to working with them. That brings us to today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily wins and losses of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest winner today is Indonesian petrochemicals billionaire Prajogo Pangestu, up $2.5 billion, now with net wealth of $46.1 billion. Our second biggest winner today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault. He's up $2.2 billion, with net wealth of $194.3 billion. And our third place winner is Zara's Amancio Ortega, up $1.4 billion, with net wealth now of $93 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. And the average global temperature briefly crossed a critical threshold of 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, likely for the first time ever on Friday. It highlights the unprecedented warming climate that scientists say could have an irreversible, disastrous impact on the planet. Official data reveals the Earth's mean temperatures reached 2.06 degrees Celsius, higher than the pre-industrial average. Scientists believe this year will be the warmest in recorded history. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.